Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change language on Depop, or how to change Depop language. Now, the first thing you want to ensure is that you're properly logged in or signed in on Depop. Now, to achieve that, you just head over to your Google Chrome browser and then just simply type in Depop and then click on enter, and it will take you to this page. Now, this is the home page where you get to properly log in if you already have an account, or you have to sign up to buy, sell, discover all forms of unique fashion items. Now, to get yourself properly signed in, ensure that you have your Gmail or email and password active, and then follow through all the verification processes. Now, all these processes are necessary to ensure for authenticity on the Depop app, and there is no form of scam or scandal. Now, having gone through all of those processes is to take you to this page when you've properly logged into your Depop application. Now, this is what the Depop platform looks like. Having arrived here, you can carry out the world of activities by buying items, shopping, or just browsing through to enjoy what Depop has to offer. Remember that on Depop you can buy, you can sell, you can decide to follow brands just to keep your interest high. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change Depop language. The first thing you want to do is open your Depop application, which we've already done. Head over to the top right corner over here and click on our profile icon, and then navigate to our profile. All right, so this is what the profile icon looks like. So we'll just click on that, and this is what it looks like. Now, what we want to do is to change language on Depop. So we'll just head over here and then go to our settings, where we'll be changing all of that. Remember, settings is the platform where you can change all forms of things or maintain order on your platform. Now, on your settings, you just head over to where language is, and then click on language, and you can choose from your preferred list the option that you want to specifically use for your Depop application. So this is how you can simply change language from your Depop application to whatever preferred language you want your audience to have or to know you as. Now, sometimes changing your language on Depop is important because it streamlines your sellers or your buyers or your followers to follow you for the particular kind of products that you are selling. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to change your language on your Depop platform, and until next time, bye for now.